Hey, it's Misty with my Homeschool Academy, and I'm going to show you the student portal. So the overview is you've got your dashboard. You can see what courses your student has been assigned. You've got the AI tutor for them. You've got PenPals and then QuickLinks here on the right-hand side. This is just their overview. They can click here and go directly into a course, or they can click on the My Videos tab or the Video Lesson tab as well. All right. And then if you click on the video lesson, you can do the same thing. So basically, click on the video lessons and then go to continue learning. And then you'll have, if it has a video, it'll have it on this. You click through the days. Okay. And so you go to the lesson. And then after you finish that lesson, first you will see your supply list and you'll see your worksheets. And make sure that you keep, looking at every tab, because different days may have a video or a worksheet, or they could be all at the front at the very beginning. Just kind of depends on how the course was laid out at that time. You'll see if it doesn't have a video, it'll say no video added for this lesson yet. That means there's not one, and there's a worksheet that you need to complete for the day. Okay, after you finish, so if we're in this one, then you could go to mark complete and then next lesson, and that will give you your percentages on how much you got left to do. This is a place where you can make notes or anything you want to remember, and your tutor is here if you need it. And then overview is going to be your lesson overview. It's going to tell you what you're supposed to do for that day. So like lesson 1, understand, it'll tell you each day what they are, or if you need to do a lesson. But just keep in mind, when you download your lessons from the video, like under the video, when there's lessons down here, oops, I'm on the wrong thing. That's a different video, my bad. But normally the documents will be in your first lesson or per unit. So just keep a lookout. Just always scroll down by, below the video and see your supply list and your worksheets. Okay. So that is the overview for that. You can search button up here. This is your account overview, which will take you back to your dashboard. Shows you who's logged. As I said before, you have AI tutor. So if you have a question or you get stuck on a math problem or whatnot, you can just type your question in. There's some examples over here, and then it'll go through the process and it'll tell you your answers. Okay. Then you got PenPals. Once I've got a form that everybody needs to fill out from the beginning, I'm going to make a packet. But the PenPals just give them permission to match you up with somebody in your interest, and then it'll come back, and then your PenPal will show up here, whoever you're matched with. Career Hub is coming soon. You can take a look at whatever grades that you have. There's nothing in here, so this doesn't mean fail. It just means there's not anything in here yet. You can look at your attendance and make sure all your days are logged. This right here will be helpful videos to help you throughout, or anything that you guys need. ID cards, you can upload a photo here and just find a picture or whatever, and you upload. Which means I have a picture in here. Just say this, and then it'll upload it on this left-hand side. It'll tell your name, your grade, and the school year. You can download and print and laminate that. Support, you can also, just like your parent, can raise a support request and brief summary, message, and then any prior request will be down here. But you can just kind of click through the topics and if you need help on something. And that is pretty much it for the student portal. All right, guys, thank you so much and have a good day.